Hello everyone, welcome back to Serica's Math Made Easy. For my last video, we derived the formula of a straight line, and today I want us to see how we can derive the formula of the standard equation of a circle. So let's see how we can do this step by step. Okay, to begin with, so let's say this is a circle. We have a circle like this on the board. Let's expand our circle a bit. Let's expand the circle a bit. Okay. Great. So let's say we have a circle like this on the board with center C. The circle is centered C right here. And the distance from the center to the circumference of the circle, like that. Is R. And let's say C has coordinates H, K. And let's assume that P is an arbitrary point on the circumference of the circle. So this is point P. So here's a circle with center HK and with radius arrow, which is connected to the point P, which is at the circumference of the circle. Now we want to derive the formula for the standard equation of a circle, and we can have this simply by using the formulas method, like we saw from the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the distance between the points P and the distance C? That's PC, right? Now notice if we take the distance or the magnitude of the point PC, the magnitude means the distance of this point PC, that is the distance from this point P to the center. It will give you exactly the radius of that circle. Is that okay? So, and according to the distance formula, if we want to find the magnitude of PC, that is easily given by, so we can have this as PC equals the square root of PC equals the square root of 1 x minus h plus y minus k all the other squared, like that. And this is equals to r. Okay, so the magnitude of the distance between the point, the center of the circle, and the arbitrary point P on the circumference gives the radius of the circle. Okay, so basically we're saying that So we're saying the square root the square root of x minus h other squared plus y minus h other squared equals r. Now, if we square both sides of this equation, we have that if we square both sides, the square cancels the square root, so that square root vanishes, and we will be left with x minus h other squared plus y minus h other squared equals r squared. Okay, so this is r squared, and here is the equation of a circle. This is the standard equation, the formula for the standard equation of a circle. Now let's go ahead and look at some quick example. So example, so a quick exercise. If a circle has center 2, 3 and radius, let's say 5, then its equation would be, so according to this, the equation of the circle will be x minus 2 other squared plus y minus 3 other squared, and this would be equals to 5 squared. And that is how we can prove or derive the formula of a circle using the distance formula. If this helped you, like, share, comment, and follow Serica's Math Made Simple for more formulas made simple. See you in our next lesson.